Well, Munchie Mafia. It is that time we really hate saying goodbye. So let's just say a fond good night or a sad little toodaloo.
Perhaps even until next time. Or how about a tap for now? We will be here on Off Topic Squirrel because Munchie needs love too.
This has been really fun with all our friends. No matter if you are old or new.
So before you let that door slam behind you, fondle that like button lovingly and go back to your life as it were before you hit that play button on
YouTube.
Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Chef Stevie, what's cooking?
If you haven't yet subscribed to Munchie Mafia Official, now is that time. Now is that time. What's stopping you? What's stopping you? Tonight we shout out. Tonight we shout out to all intended.
She is in the loving supporter
Of so many channels. She's the link dropping queen. Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Thank you, Ollie.
For being here and for all that you do. We have got love, family fun.
2005, they became our first member.
And yes, I can barbecue. Wow, was our first super chat. Wow, then we have tuber chat. Wow, the gifted eye of kitchen crew.
Memberships to our subscribers.
Oh,
Thank you to our members. Tim Mitchell, 8784. Simply Jam Homestead, B Digits.
Pinnacle,
Devil Dogs, Keeper Jamie.
Katie's Kitchen, Texas.
Taney Ortiz.
59.
Held Loop 29.
Mike's Adventure Spark. Chef Roast and Gag.
Bear Truth 01.
Wolfman Snort.
Ophia.
OSB.
6cc.
And thank you to everyone.
Back and Jules, gifted memberships, super chats. Thanks for coming.
And please remember to cook
With love
and eat
with passion.
Hey, Latoria, once you see it, you can't Hey.
Do you see I was like, Anthony, look behind CVA. You see that? I said, you see that behind CVA? Look.